Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is best new PSD cover pack artboard. Here is a preview, but these are protected password in this app. Buy Nova lifetime. Here is my Facebook page. Last is my Telegram channel. I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, here is artboard. Import your own photo and write anything. I know you can do. Okay, open this one and you see part. Here is photo option. For example, open any photo like this one. Control S, and you see our photo is here. More you can do here in here. That's very simple. Next is school admission cover with different format: AI, Global Illustrator, Sim, Photoshop, and XD. Here is Facebook cover 2022, but you can write 2023. Very simple. Import your photo, write anything. Same system here. Spring cover. You can do color option. Oh, here is Facebook cover. Simply just import your photo and write anything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.